tank. This is what it looks like right now. Right now what you're seeing is the Eco-Complete Substrate. It is a substrate that actually allows the plants to grow better. The hand that you just saw was my son Joe's. Hey Joe. The white stuff that you see is actually eggshell. Eggshell is crushed. What I do, I collected the eggshells. We eat a lot of eggs, so I collect the eggshells and I put them in a little container over time. They get sun-dried, and then when I have enough of them, I bake them in the oven at 350 degrees for about 15 to 20 minutes. Sometimes 30 when I forget about them, but anyway. Then I collect them and I bake them for about 15 to 20 minutes. And then I crush them into very small pieces and I add them to the tank for calcium carbonate. So they're added to the tank for that extra calcium, because eventually I will have snails in there, but they're also good for the shrimp. Now what you see here, these are the plants. I think they look better than they did before. I think they look better. One of them looks like it's not doing so hot, but the others look okay. The ones up here don't look much different. They still look kind of meh. But right here, that's my little driftwood. I finally added it. I went ahead and baked it in the oven. I baked it for about a half hour to get rid of any garbage from it and any bacteria or junk that might be introduced to my tank. And then I added it to the tank and it sank pretty well, so now the animals have somewhere to hide. I had nine critters in there when we started. I bought them basically to cycle the tank. I figured I would lose some of them, and I knew I would. We currently lost 2 of them so far. We lost 2 shrimp. They molted and apparently they died. So I think the stress of molting was too much for them. Other than that, everybody else seems to be doing rather well. They're healthy, they are eating, and they're doing well. The stowaway, he's in that corner right there. That little fish right there, that little stowaway fish is still doing very well. Doesn't seem to be doing bad at all. He just kind of lives his life, runs around. I tried to fish it. I tried to feed him to a snake, but then I felt bad about it, so I put him back in the tank. So he survived. Anyway, the next thing that's going to happen in this tank is I am going to add more ghost shrimp, and I'm going to change out that filter. I do not like that filter. I'm also going to remove the carbon, and I'm going to change the filter. I'm going to remove the carbon, and I'm going to add some more of the tannins to make the water darker. I'm also going to remove the carbon because it leaches the tannins as well as the iodide out of the water too quickly, and the shrimp need the iodide. It helps them with molting as well as breeding, so that's going to be coming out of there next. I'm also going to be looking at, well, now I'm just going to be looking at changing the heater to that corner over there, and a new filtration system for now. That's about it.